I've got my Kenmore washer, and I've got the top taken apart there just so I can get it cleaned up. And I'm refinishing those pieces and touching up a couple other spots. Essentially make it as like new as I possibly can. But the purpose of this video is to show you that this washer and dryer work. When you get them home, you plug them in, everything's going to work like it should. So I've got a full load going here, jeans, towels, and a few other heavy pieces of clothing. And essentially going to run it through its full load. It's doing an excellent job right now. It's almost on the rinse, but what I'm going to do is just let it get down to the spin cycle, and I'll let you hear it, see that everything runs smooth and sounds good. That's the most important thing. Then when that's done, I'll move those clothes over to the dryer and let you hear the dryer. Then I'll shoot some finished pictures for the ad. So we'll come back for that spin cycle. Okay, and we're back to the spin cycle. I almost missed it. It was so quiet running over here. But I'm going to show you that it is running nice and fast. Lid switch works. Sounds great. There's no weird noises, and it's perfectly balanced. Excellent. So we'll let that finish up. I'll get the dryer moved over and we'll let you take a look at that. Okay, so our washer has stopped. Got it all cleaned out. I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. Sounds good. Nice and level. No weird noises or shaking. Those are all things you'd want to check. So you can see that it's running great. And I'll show you that it's heating appropriately as well. It's my little temperature gun. Whatever that red dot lands on, it's going to tell you the surface temperature. So we'll get in here, and I will shoot the heat right into this tube here. He said plenty of heat, 200 degrees coming out of that tube, and the heating element is directly below that. So that tube gets pretty hot. The inside of your dryer is only going to get between 100 and 195, just depends on what you have the timer set to. And it's a nice huge capacity on that guy. And we'll kick it over to auto dry. We'll give that just a second. I'll show you that it's heating also. And of course, both these have been through their tests already. 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. And I check everything from the timers, make sure everything advances through all the cycles, the full heating element, all the components, everything on it. Then they get thoroughly cleaned as well. So, I'll show you right there. Plenty of heat coming out of there, so now you know everything works like it's supposed to. I'll go ahead and get these listed up, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thanks.